In today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to use Apple Pay on our Apple Watch. So here's how to set up and use Apple Pay on your Apple Watch. On your iPhone, open the Watch app. And here you have to select My Watch and then scroll down and go to Wallet and Apple Pay. If you don't see this Wallet and Apple Pay here, then all you have to need, make sure you have installed the Apple Wallet on your iPhone. Now just tap on that and here tap on Add Card and then go ahead and add your card manually to your Apple Pay wallet. And to add your credit or debit card, you may need to verify with your bank account. Once you successfully added your card in here, the card information is stored securely on your watch. And now on, to make a payment with your Apple Watch, just double click the side button and here the swipe to choose another card if needed and hold the Apple Watch near the payment terminal contactless reader and you will feel a gentle tap plus hear a beep when the payment is completed. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.